Today we are going to learn how to use the text tool in Photoshop. So let's open our file. So we use A4. So this A4 paper canvas. So let's click create. So when you open your canvas, this is what shows. So this is A4 size. So the first thing you do is to unlock your layer. So you click on it to unlock it. Now this is the text tool, the T. This is the text tool. You click on it. So after clicking, you come to your canvas. Then you click on the canvas. Then the text will show. So now you can write anything that you want to write. So let's write Ghana. This is Ghana. You click on the pick tool. So you can move the text to any size or any area that you want. You can enlarge it to any size you want. Then make sure you click on the correct sign here. Now you want to change the font of this. So we come here, click on the text, we come to the top, the menu bar. So you click on it. All the font that you have on the computer will appear here. So let's say we want this particular font, Antonio. You click on it. So this is the font that we have. You can decide to change the color of the font. You come here, click on it. Any color that you want, you can just pick from here. Let's say you want green, click. Any color at all, you can just select from here. From the color picker, click OK. So let's go to the big tool or the selection tool so you can enlarge the font to any size that you want. Now you want to add effects to the text. What do you do? When you come to the layer panel, this is the layer panel. Then you come to the FX. You click on the FX. We have a lot of effects here. Now you want a stroke. A stroke is like an outline. You click on it. Then the layer star comes, pop up. So let's say the stroke or the outline, you want a black outline. Come here, the color here, click on it. Then you click on the black. Click OK. Now we come to the structure. The size of the stroke that you want, you can just enlarge it to any size. If you want it inside, the stroke inside, you click on the inside. If you want it outside, you select on the outside. Then you can increase the stroke. You can also change it to any color that you want. If you are done, just click OK. You can also give it a drop shadow. So let's say you click on the drop shadow. Then you give it a shadow. So you can add any type of effect that you want. If you want the bevel, emboss, you can click on it. So you just have to play with it. So the more you play with it, the more you understand how it works. So that's basically it. So when you are done, just click OK. You can decide to duplicate the text. So you want to duplicate the text, you just click, come to the layer, you click on the text, then you drag it to this icon. And you see we have two layers here, and the Ghana or the text have come two. So that's basically how to use the text tool. There's the icon T. So when you click on it, you come and click on the canvas and you write anything that you want to write. Click on the pick tool. You can enlarge it to any size that you want. Yeah. Or you can decide to use the property bar or the property panel. So here you can also change the font size here, or the font that you want, you can change it here. So if you want the pop pins, you click on it. You can decide to change the color here. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much.